I really like her. This is the packaging, and if you're not familiar with Klaiyi hair, this is what the packaging looks like. Ooh. So this is what it looks like. It does come with adhesive tape. They did send over a headband, an elastic headband. They also sent a HD wig cap and a edge brush. So on to this wig. This is a 7x5 Baba Knots lace wig. It is Brazilian hair, and it's also a Yaki straight texture, and it's 24 inches. Straight out of the packaging, here we have the construction. As you can see, the lace is cut, the hairline is pre-plucked, and the knots are bleached. Again, this is a 7x5. We have a thinner strap. So this is a upgraded cap, and this thin elastic band is adjustable, but it's not removable. We also have the drawstring in the back. We have the grippy piece, and we have one comb. There are no more combs in this wig, but throughout the cap you do have the grippy part throughout the cap. And this is what the hair looks like. Really nice, really pretty, and I love the texture. So as you can see, this wig is glueless, and I don't think I'm gonna glue this wig down. This is really pretty. A pretty wig. This isn't going anywhere. I did adjust the adjustable strap, but I did not adjust the drawstring just yet. But just off the strength of me adjusting the strap, this fits good. So if you do have a smaller size head, I'll leave the size detail in my description box. But this feels really good, like no space in the back. So if you do have a smaller size head, this is the wig for you. This wig is really good. It's definitely not going anywhere. I love the fit. They knew my head was small. Here are my end results. I really like the way that this came out. I did go in and cut layers in the front, and y'all, she is really cute. She really looks natural. Like, look at the hairline. Come on now. So this is the hair straight. She's cute either way, y'all. Super cute. But I think I'm gonna wear her like this. And yeah. So if you are interested in this wig, be sure to check the description box and my links down below. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section. And y'all, and yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and happy Thanksgiving. If this video is up in time, happy Thanksgiving. Yep.